Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can block AI bots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity from crawling your website and using your content for AI training. So if you run a blog or website, then this is something you should know because many AI companies use bots to scan your website and collect data for training their AI models. So let's check how we can use robot.txt to block most of the AI bots from crawling your website. Although it is not 100% foolproof method, but you can block most of the reputed AI bots using the robot.txt file. And there is also another method where you can use a rules in your htaccess file if you are using WordPress, and you can also use Cloudflare to block those AI bots. So I will cover all these methods in this video. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your robot.txt file. So all you have to do is just add robots.txt after your website and you will see the robot.txt content here. And if you are using Blogger, then you can also go to robot.txt file. So let me add robots.txt and let's hit enter. You can see the robot.txt content is there. So here you need to add some rules in the robot.txt file. So you have to add these type of user rules like user agent, GPT bot, chat GPT user, Google extended, Gemini, Perplexity. So I will provide the link of this code in the description. So all you have to do is copy this code, and if you are using Blogger, then you can just go to your settings and here just go to the custom robot.txt. So make sure to enable this option, and after that you can add it to your existing robot.txt file. So let me paste it just before the sitemap and let me paste it here. Now you can add any AI bots. So you have to add the user agent. So you can simply search for the AI and then search for user agent and you will find the user agent for that AI tools. So you can see Anthropic AI, Claude bot, Perplexity. Just save it. And as you can see, we have added all these rules in our robot.txt file. And if you are using WordPress, then you can also use a robot.txt manager plugin, or you can use your SEO plugin, or you can directly go to your file manager. So let me go to the file manager here. Just go to files, click on file manager. Now let me access my files. So there are various ways you can edit robot.txt file in WordPress. So I have already made several videos on how to add robot.txt in WordPress. So you can follow that video as well. So make sure to go to public_html and here you will find your robot.txt file. Here it is. Let me open this, and here you can use the same rules like this: user agent, GPT bot, Google Cloud, and like this. And let's hit save. So this is the first method where you can use robot.txt file to block certain user agents. And let's move on to the next method. So if you are using WordPress, then you can block AI agents using the htaccess file. So let me close it here and let me find the htaccess file. So if you are not seeing this file, then make sure to enable hidden files from your settings. Just go to files and let me open public_html, and here it is the htaccess file. And here you need to paste a code like this. Let me copy it and let me paste it at the end of my htaccess file and let's hit save. So this will also block all the AI bots from accessing your website. So this is the server level method, and you can use robot.txt method as well. And if you are using Cloudflare, then also you can block AI bots from crawling your website. So for this, let me log into Cloudflare, and here you will see an option control AI crawlers, where you can block on all pages or block only on host name. But we need to go to this AI crawl control option, and here you can see the AI controls. You can see we have GPT bot, Perplexity bot, Chat GPT, Bing bot, Google bot. So here you can individually block certain AI bots and allow some search engine crawlers. So make sure to allow all the search engine crawlers and you can block AI crawlers. Suppose you don't want this petal bot then you can simply click on block and all the crawling requests will be blocked by Cloudflare. And here we don't want ByteDance to crawl our website, then I can simply enable the block option. We have CC bot, Amazon bot, ByteDance. So you can individually select the AI bots and block them from crawling your website. And you can see the metrics as well. You can see the total number of requests, total allowed request, unsuccessful request, and you can see the graph of GPT bot, Perplexity, and different type of bots. And you can see all the page URLs and crawled by the different AI bots like this. Total number of requests done by these AI bots. You can see all these details here on this page. So Cloudflare is a powerful tool to block AI bots from crawling your website. So either you can use robot.txt to block AI crawlers. You can also block at server level using the htaccess file. So I hope you have understand all three methods how to block AI crawlers. Here one thing to note that you should not block popular AI bots like ChatGPT, Gemini or Perplexity because they will give you traffic. So if your content is valuable, then you can block those AI bots. But if your content is a general type content and user can find that content anywhere else, then you should not block those AI bots because those AI bots will crawl your website and bring the information, and in response you will get traffic from those platforms. So you should not block all these popular bots like ChatGPT, Gemini or Perplexity. But if you don't want certain bots to crawl your website, let's say I don't want the Petal bot, which is by Huawei, ByteDance Spider, Amazon bot, all these bots are unnecessary, then I can easily block those bots using the Cloudflare. So this is how you can block certain AI bots from crawling your website. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more blogging and AI tutorials like this. Thank you.